Well, we're here celebrating today's open house, the brand new Sutter Health CPMC Van Ness Campus. We're welcoming the community today to see what's going on here at this hospital that everybody's been watching go up.
It's going to be a state-of-the-art center with so many specialized services. Really excited to serve our community, and this is a great celebration to kick it all off.
I think it's such a brilliant hospital, and I love what they've done, and I love the art.
I love this hospital so much, and I like all the tropical colors.
We're very excited about the opportunity to be able to bring the best services to our community in San Francisco. And I was shocked to see the number of people waiting all around the corner, waiting to get in.
I had chocolate ice cream.
We've been taking care of women, delivering baby over 100 years. This is the first time we're able to move to the most modern and most beautiful facility.
What we do is all about the people that we serve, and it's wonderful to see that we're actually at this point ready to see our first patients.
I mean, I just can't wait. How many days are we? We're at the countdown. We're very excited.